Hello guys, welcome to another day with Zimaleta. In today's video, I want to actually describe to you how did I get my GoPro vlogging setup looking the way it does, and how do I have all the wires kind of like hanging there, like without like any tape, without any zip ties, nothing. No Velcro strips, and everything is kind of holding, nothing is shaking and stuff like that. So let me show you. Hey guys, I wanted to show you my vlogging setup, specifically the way I actually mounted this camera, the way it sits high off, and then I did not use any kind of zip ties or any tape to tape this down, you know, this microphone, jack adapter to the GoPro. So notice how I did this, guys. I stuck that GoPro in first, the adapter, the 3.5mm adapter, and put it to the front. Then I plugged in the actual microphone adapter to the side, and I went right underneath here, right in between my gears. And then I went actually underneath the cable, causing it to hold, through the Rode mic right here, through that side, and then out, and then actually plugged it in. This actually prevents this microphone from kind of like wobbling too much, and you know, it keeps the wire kind of like right there, everything looking nice. And then of course this doesn't go anywhere because it can't, you know, it's being held by this wire and that wire. So I think it looks a little bit more natural, a little bit more solid. And of course I will link up these attachments in the description below, this one and then this one here, you know, to actually put the microphone a little bit higher. Otherwise you're not going to have that. The microphone will mount right in this piece, and then your windscreen is going to be in your lens. You don't want that, so this is the setup you want. And by the way guys, this piece squeezes on your GoPro right here to the side, and this plasticky thing on the inside holds your GoPro in from sliding out. Even though it's a snug fit, you know, in there, but not too snug so you cannot pull it out. You kind of like press it down, that little screw on the side, and before you know it, it's holding your GoPro in. So for the leg, I actually got the Go Stick, the original Go Stick. And for the bottom tripod, this is the DJI type of version tripod. Costs like 55 bucks. So together with the setup, it's an aluminum type of case. Now I do want to point out guys, if you're going to be vlogging with aluminum case with the original sound, don't do it. It's just not going to work good. It's the sound's going to be like terrible, unless you actually get the microphone. Now if you do want to vlog with your GoPro sound, which is fine, I tested it many times, use the original case because it's not going to actually hide your microphone, because there's two of them. So one of them is exposed on top and the one on the side is being blocked off. So it sounds pretty bad when the microphone actually goes in between these two. So that anyways guys, I hope you liked that little description. If you did, please give me a like. If you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe, because I make all kinds of videos. Specifically my channel is about sprinters and expediting and trucking and kind of like a little bit of a business type of stuff, and then just me. So there's going to be a lot of interesting content on my channel. There's over 800 videos right now on my channel, and I make more every day because I post every day. So thanks for watching guys, take care.
My name is Serge Zimaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have sprinter, expedite, or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.